Hello and welcome to How to Write Hangul, Lesson 1. The first lesson is how to write the H sound. This one's easy to remember because it looks like a hat. Grab a pencil or a pen and try it out with me. First thing, we're going to write the H sound. We're going to start out with a circle, then we put a long bar on top and a short bar. That makes the H sound. Watch me do it. I'll do it one more time. One more time. It's very easy. Now, every Korean character has to have a vowel sound. So let's put this one together here. We're going to make ha. This one is the vowel sound for ah. So let's do it again. Start with a circle, long bar underneath, short bar on top. That makes ha. Next, there's two strokes to make the ah sound. One to go down and one to go across. Now we have ha. Watch me do this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 strokes to make this character. 1, 2, 3 for the H, 1, 2 for the A. Last time, 5 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very easy. Try it out now. If someone sends you a text message, you can respond, ha, 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 which of course means LOL. Okay, now that we learned how to make the basic H letter, let's write Hangul. You'll notice that Hangul starts with ha. And as I said, every syllable has its own character in Korean. So H-A-N is one syllable, han. Every character in Korean is composed of individual sounds. That's why Korean is so easy. If you see a character like this that you've never seen before, you can remember, oh, I know what this is and what this is and what this is, so it's very easy to pronounce. This is the N, this is a G, this is In English we write with U, but it's not it's not oo, it's as in good, like the double O sound in good, So this is an L, so this is gul, Hangul. Let's try this one together. So han is a lot like ha, except it has the extra N sound at the bottom. So start with a circle, long bar, short bar, A, then finally downstroke and across. Now, most Korean writers learn to write this in one stroke. So we'll write han, in one stroke. The N is done in one stroke. So one more time. Ha, and then down and across at once. That's han. Next one, we're going to write gul. This one's a little more complicated. So we start out with han, long stroke on top, and then down. And again, most Koreans, when they write this, will actually do over and down at once. But you can do it with 2 strokes if you want. So that's over and down. Then that's the G. Next, across, very simple, Next, the L is going to be 3 strokes, 1, 2, 3, but you're going to take 5 strokes to do it the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go together. Across, down, another across, down, and then across. So if a Korean who knew how to write really well was doing that, it would look just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's G-U-L. So let's try the whole thing together. Circle, across, long bar, short bar. It's H. Now we have down, across, ah, down, over, in, han. Next, over, down, G, across, another over, cross, cross, down, across. And there you have it, Hangul. Great job. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please subscribe for more.